हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। हमारे जो अपार्टमेंट के बाथरूम्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही छोटे से डब्बा से होते हैं। मेरा बाथरूम है 5 बाय 6 फीट का। मैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करना चाहती। आई कांट चेंज द फ्लोरिंग, आई कांट चेंज द वॉल टाइल्स। सो व्हाट आई डिसाइडेड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू किड्स बाथरूम। बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने नहीं किया है। यू कैन डेफिनेटली take ideas and do investment as per your choice. So let's get into the video. I have converted my small bathroom into a bathtub room without actually investing into a bathtub. Check it out. This was the bathroom I was talking about. The flooring, the tiles are really boring and really old fashioned. So I just wanted to revive it within the budget. I have placed my baby's bath essentials, her baby powder, her wash, everything, and this is her toy basket which has everything like her floating toys, her pichkari, her bubble wand, everything she wants to enjoy while taking a bath. So basically I am using a BB Daily's basket. Since I couldn't locate any plastic basket or vaccine basket, you can do so. And this basket has a hook, so I didn't had much to do about it. I just placed it on the towel rod and it's good to go. I don't have any bathtub as such, but I have a swimming pool which is huge. So I'm trying to fit that in my small bathroom. Let's check it out. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription button is right below my video. You have to subscribe to keep watching my videos. Thank you.